Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit money to your Bitstamp account. First of all, what you need to do is create your account, verify your account, and then after that create the 2FA for your account. Then after that, we have a lot of ways how we can deposit by clicking on this deposit, or we can go to buy and sell and deposit right there. So we decide right here to click on this deposit, and then from here we can do a bank transfer, a cryptocurrency, or one of these two. I don't know exactly what these two are, but keep in mind you only need the bank transfer or cryptocurrency for that. So if you want to put money to your account, just go to bank transfer, fill in here the currency, then right here a bank transfer, and then right here the amount. Then you go further and then make sure it is also saying right here, please send funds from the bank account held in your name, Tommy Flux. This is the recipient account number, right here the reference number, and then this is the SWIFT and bank number. So make sure that you throw money through this bank account number. If you want to do it with cryptocurrency, you go to cryptocurrency, select here the currency that you want to put right here on your account. So let's do Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin address, put this in another wallet, and then you can send Bitcoin to your Bitstamp wallet. So this is how you can deposit money to your Bitstamp account. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.